legal business, stable investment, instant payments, high protection. Welcome to HashBit Limited. HashBit Limited has been operating since 2010, simultaneously with the concept of cryptocurrency. And in 2016, HashBit Limited was officially registered as an investment company. Initially, our company consisted of 3 people, young investors with initial capital, who decided that electronic money is the future of financial markets. Stable income with cryptocurrency mining. We have 3 reliable investment plans. Anti-miner S3, 6% for 30 days. Anti-miner S4, 2% for 20 days. And anti-miner S5 Plus, 115% after 10 days. Earn 3 to 1% affiliate commission from us. Referral program for investors. Level 1 3% of the investment. Level 2 2% of the investment. And level 3 1% of investment. Referral program for regional representative. Level 1 8% of the investment amount. Level 2 2% of the investment amount. And level 3 1% of investment amount. How to start? Fill up a simple registration form and create your account. Make deposit to your investment plan. HashBit Limited is UK registered company, and we give you bank level security to protect your money. We have 24 hours customers support. They are ready to help you. HashBit Limited. We are happy to cooperate with you.